On today's episode of the Gadget Guy Review, I give simple but detailed instructions on how to set up a remote lighting and outlet system for your home. The product I use here is by eTechCity, and more info and links are included in the description next to this video. So this product actually comes in different types. There's ones that have 1 outlet, 2 outlets, 5 outlets, 10 outlets, and also ones that have 1 remote or 2 remotes. And with the remote you get this small alkaline battery that comes with it. And these are quite nice. If you've got 2 remotes, obviously you'll get 2 batteries. The basic concept behind this is you might have a bunch of lights in a room and you want to control them all, and you might want them easily accessible through a remote control. So this remote control can control up to 5 outlets. This is the on side, this is the off side, and obviously when you push on it'll light up. So I thought the best way for me to show you is through a demonstration. By the way, these also can the range of the remote can go all the way up to 100 feet or 30 meters, which is really far. So you can actually be all the way in the other side of the house, blocked by walls and in different rooms, and you can still control the lights and the outlets just fine. It's worked flawlessly in my house, so really impressed with this product. So here's a very basic lamp. I'm going to plug it in here into, this is really just a basic outlet. So when I plug it in, it's already on. So as you can see, the lamp works fine, the outlet works fine. Now I'm going to try one of these eTechCity remote outlets. So what I'm going to do is I plug it directly in here. By the way, it is 3-prong. And when you plug it in, obviously it's not working quite yet because I haven't used the remote yet. This particular outlet is programmed, I think, to 1. So let me check. So that worked. And off. Okay, so I could be all the way in the other side of the room, press this and it turns on. Press it and it turns off. It's not programmed to any other number here, only 1, and off. So let me show you what happens if I want to program something to a specific number. So this particular outlet is not programmed to anything. So if I push 1, for example, nothing. 2, 3, 4. So nothing's working right now because it's not programmed. Here's how you do the programming. There's a button on the side of each of these outlets right here. You're going to press that until it blinks. So let's see if it blinks. There's blinking. So I'm going to program it to 3, let's say. So I push 3 on my remote. So now I've programmed it. So now 3, when I press 3, it turns on, turns off. 2, 1, 4, 5 don't work, but only 3. So let's say I don't want to use 3 anymore. So what I'll do is that button again over here, I'm going to keep it pressed. And when I plug it in, I wait 5 seconds to it to blink. It's going to blink a few times. And what I've done is I just cleared it. So that 3 that I had it on before, actually all the numbers don't work anymore. Okay, so I just pretty much cleared it. Now it's clean. I can reprogram it if I need to. One more thing I wanted to mention about these is it's ETL. ETL listed, very similar to UL listed, means that this has been third-party tested, and the electronics of this have been shown to be quite safe, and so you can be at least quite confident it's not going to blow up on you. And I've tested it quite a few times and used it on my lamps and it hasn't had any problem. I would be a bit cautious if it didn't have the ETL or UL listed. So overall, I really like this product. It works really well in your home, controls all the lamps and other things that you plug into it really well. It probably works with heaters and other things you might want to turn off. And so I really like it a lot. And that's my review of this eTechCity indoor wireless remote control power outlet lights. They sell these on Amazon, Walmart, and other places. On the website, in the description, I also include the links to all these places that you can buy them. Doesn't really matter to me, but I will try to direct you toward the better value. Sometimes one of the places is cheaper than the other, so I'll try to update that and make sure you have the best deal.